On this trip, we're heading down to the Hogsback Rallye Raid, a muddy weekend in the Eastern Cape chasing good trails, questionable weather, and even better stories. 3 days of riding in the rain, sun, and whatever the mountains decide to throw at us. But before I get ahead of myself, let me introduce the crew. First we have Paul, the mechanic, the calm in the chaos, always making sure the wheels keep turning and having fun along the way.
Now it's a party.
Then we have Uncle Matt. Uncle.
Hello!
Bringing the vibes, always keeping us laughing no matter how unwell the riding gets. Then me, just in it for the good times, sketchy moments, and the memories that only happens on two wheels. This is a trip to the Hogsback Rallye Raid. Now you know the crew, the story, the mission, so let's get back to the road trip. Here we go, nice and early start. Left Johannesburg about 3:30. Made some good progress. We're here in Bloem now, stopping at the butcher just to have a little get the essentials. We need some snacks and need some proper snacks for the road. So having a quick stop here in Bloem, fill up the fuel, have some nice breakfast, and then heading on to Hogsback. Apparently it's raining there, so yeah, we prepped and ready. Bikes are ready, we're ready. Now just to get there. There we go, we've arrived at Hogsback. What an interesting journey, amazing place, like really insane scenery. Can't wait now to get out there on the bike. But we just arrived here, busy checking in, getting all places sorted, bringing down the bikes, finding our rooms and everything. And yeah, let the mission begin.
Right, cousin brothers.
Look who's back!
Taking over Uncle Kevin's camera here. Uncle says, oh yes sir. He's training for MP, ready? Who's this guy?
Yeah.
Deny.
Well, you move out and then who's this guy?
It's us, like this.
Triumph guy's gonna be on a BMW.
Alright, we're gonna go up to the HQ. Right up there without any helmets because Mama didn't raid us no. Yossus!
Hey!
Yossus! I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Oh well. Mama hold my beers. Oh, this is easy. Fucking one hand banded over here. Oh, I got a cramp in the thigh already. Both thighs I got cramps. This guy's left me behind. Pulling the motocross. Oh shit, this is a big ass rock that I rode over. Oh, this guy's gonna roost me full of rocks. I'm gonna fight. Right, this is so difficult. This is like dedication POVing over here. Oh, I got a cramp in my thigh.
And just like that, the first day in Hogsback comes to an end. All of us super excited to get out on the trails, but the ride can't start with a nice little prep with Moto.
Hey, there we go. Good morning. Yeah, we started off, had a good night's rest. Got the bikes all prepped and ready this morning. Had a quick breakfast. The uncle is here. Uncle.
Hello.
Yeah, so we got the 450, the rally tower. I'm claiming this is the first Triumph Dakar bike. So getting that out of the way easy. Fight me in the comments if you need to. But yeah, but I'm excited for this little piece here. Woo! It's gonna bark. But yeah, so I'm super excited for the day. Everybody's ready. Paul's just quickly getting snacks. Now my main concern is fuel management, because yeah, we have to do about 200 k's and the route looks cock. But yeah, we're gonna go send it. Ja, how are you feeling about the route today?
Feeling excited, nervous, anxious. Yeah. No, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping it's not so slick.
Yeah.
I think that's the only thing, is that I just don't want it to be like super slick.
Yeah, exactly.
But I think like riding through the forest will be great, so hopefully some good technical stuff.
Yeah. I think we're gonna be fine. You guys are pros on these adventure bikes.
Of course.
Yeah.
Professional.
Professional.
Yeah.
There we go. So yeah, let's head off to the start and get this ride going. So Paul just came back from his snack run because as per usual we forgot to plan properly and get all the snacks. And what did you get me, Paul? Look at that. Yes, like a monster.
You got a monster.
Oh. Yeah, now we're ready to race.
Me up on a little storm, swing me out in the night. Well, I've been laying in the jungle here, but there's no need to hide. Way beyond the mountain tops, my poor stuck in the fire. The ocean ran with what it did.
We're out here by old Johannesburg. Check out all these bridges though. Nice little waterfall. Getting the shots of the uncles coming through this sweet section or rally stage. Look how sick this place is though. This is vibes and vibes over here.
Please don't forget me in the lion's den. Oh, my baby, now let's not
Use the days. So guys, is this the mandatory pit stop or why are we standing here?
No, it's not mandatory.
Not mandatory.
No.
We just thought we'd hang around and waste hours.
Some bastard came down here with 1.5 bar pressure in his front. And can't understand why he's got a flat.
I wonder who that is. I'm not pointing any fingers. I'm like,
He's got no puncture repair. So our
But he's got a good
rider's been ruined.
well, he is here in South Africa, so let's see.
Just rip it.
But Paul back on his normal duty and doing the mechanical work.
But what's never been used?
You see, like it's like a first for everything for you today.
First time for everything today. Guys, have you got any marching powder in that pack of music? No.
There we go. Getting Joe's tyre fixed and then heading back to lunch. So far an awesome day of riding. I mean, we have views like this the whole way. So when you're not trying to not die, you get some really cool views. But yeah, let's get the tyre back. Well, let's Paul and Joe get the tyre back on and then we can go. So got Joe's tyre fixed. I'm not sure how many k's are left. So I actually have the uncle about here. Uncle, how far do we have to go? Okay, cool. Okay, 8 k's left and we can have some food. Finally. Okay, so let's go get it. Okay, we have to pass Joe, otherwise we have to help him again.
The irony of this statement is beyond me. We were all super excited to get back to the clubhouse, have some lunch and finish off the day with some amazing riding. Matt was doing goon whips, getting real steezy on his bike, but Joe unfortunately had some more tire trouble, so we had to stop and help him out. Now this is also where I experienced how awesome the adventure bike community is. Everybody that passed us stopped and asked if we're okay, do we need any help, more than willing to offer us tools, giving us a tube to make sure that we can get all the bikes back to Hogsback. We all chimed in to try and get this tyre fixed and get Joe back on the road, but unfortunately all of our efforts were in vain. The tyre just didn't want to hold pressure, and now with actual fear of damaging the rim, we called it. We had a nice storm brewing in the background, and so me and Matt headed straight back to the lodge to get the van and pick up Joe. And finally we all got back to the lodge safe and sound. With a day full of ups and downs, we know this is part of the adventure. We had a well-deserved dinner and just watched the fire die before we headed to bed to get ready for day 2 of riding.
But they keep me running high.